name is Reese. Have you ever thought about what wakeboarding is? I think wakeboarding is so cool, how it's made and the tricks that you can do. First, I'd like to talk to you about how the board is made. The wood is first cut into a size. An adult size is 13 years old, while a kid's size rider is 12 and under. The boards are purchased by age and weight. Next, the board is sanded down and painted with its label name and brand name. This is my brand name. Some wakeboards have watercolor like mine, and some have a wood pattern like others. The board is then shipped to a store. At the store, they fit the boots and it is screwed in. This is a boot. Most people don't know how to wakeboard, but it is really simple. To begin with, you put your feet in the boots and tighten the straps. This is how you tighten the straps. You're going to pull this down, and then there's a hook on the end of the strap, and you're going to hook it into where your toes go. From here, you jump in the water with your feet in the boots and hands holding the rope like this. Next, you lie down in the water with your head looking up into the sky, curled up into a ball. Your board is placed horizontal in the water with your rope resting on top of it, like this. From here, you're ready to start the boat. Next, you yell, "Hit it," to the driver, which means start the boat. As the boat starts to drive, you keep yourself in a tucked position. You'll start going one way or the other. I start going left. So then you turn your board like that, and then you stay in a tucked position and put all your weight on your back foot. My back foot is my right foot. After you start, you see that you are turning sideways. And when you start feeling that you put all your weight on your back foot, I will be going to the left side of the boat, or vice versa. If you're lucky, you will end up behind the boat in the middle. Once you learn how to wakeboard and constantly get up, you can start learning how to do tricks with your board, like a 360, crossing the wake, or doing 720s. One entertaining trick for beginners is doing a 360. A 360 is enjoyed by many people, and many people can do it. All you do is jump up and flip into the air and land back down into the water. Most people, when they start wakeboarding, they go to one side of the wake or the other, or in the middle. When you cross one side of the wake, you end up in the wake. All you have to do is lean forward a little bit and go over the wake, and you'll end up in the middle. If you go super fast, you'll end up on one of the other sides. Another more advanced trick is doing a 720. 720s are difficult skills to master. 720s are when you jump into the air and hold your board and do multiple flips in the air. If you're wondering, this is how you do it. So both of your feet are in the boots, and then you're gonna jump up and hold the board while holding the rope. Wakeboarding can feel like a complicated sport, but it is very enjoyable and easy to learn. For anyone who is asking themselves what wakeboarding is all about, I hope this is giving you some tips and tricks on how to wakeboarding, and I hope you try it.